Can you hear that? The house is strangely quiet. No playful laughter echoes. Tim senses a boring stillness.
My favorite comedy show is dull. My heart feels a small sadness. I wonder what happened.
I've checked my files. There are no reports of laughter.
A silent crisis.
A tiny message appears. It shows a shadowy, grumpy face. Case file open.
A rogue agent stole joy. We must find the culprit.
I imagine a grumpy clown. It takes laughter away in a net. Be practical, Tim.
It leads to the basement. A secret headquarters. The blueprint points to Tim's old toy box. A hidden button clicks.
Inside is a small, dusty bell. Its glow indicates the path.
The bell guides us to the creaky basement. Shadows dance silently.
A loose floorboard groans.
We must maintain stealth. Focus, Templeton.
I spot tiny, glittery footprints. They lead deeper. Evidence!
A small fairy appears. It shivers nervously. It points to a large cabinet.
The cabinet leads to a dark tunnel. Cold air blows.
Damp earth covers walls.
I feel a little uneasy.
Press on, Agent! Mission status is critical!
Inside, old furniture lines the walls. We find an empty stage.
Laughter is truly missing from this sector.
I see faint scratch marks. They show a funny nose. A prankster agent. We must track the energy source. The tracker blinks quickly. To the attic. Quickly!
This is like a super spy climb.
High in the attic, I feel uneasy. It's cold.
Hold firm. We're almost there.
The vast, dusty space is clear. We must remain focused on the mission.
Right. Focused. I sense the culprit is near.
We have located the target. A giant, grumpy clown sleeps soundly. Tim sees a glimmer. The laughter is clutched in its hand.
Initiate recovery.
Tim carefully reaches. The clown stirs. My heart races.
Good agent.
Stay cal, Agent.
Please, kind clown. The house needs its joy.
The clown understands. It allows us to keep the laughter.
Thank you, friend.
We emerge quickly. The laughter is safe.
Job well done. Exiting mission zone.
The laughter is back.
The house is operational. Laughter echoes. Oh, thank goodness. I missed that sound.
They brought the joy back. We are so proud of your intelligence and bravery.
We did it.
Let's celebrate with a festival of jokes.
Why did the robot cry?
We make the best team, boss baby.
Affirmative. High job satisfaction rate. Wait a second. You were distracting me. You were the rogue agent?
No comment. Mission accomplished. We are happy.
What makes you laugh? Adventure awaits.